Cleveland Auto Repair versus Rad Air Downtown Cleveland. Who's the best? If you're searching for the best auto repair shop in downtown Cleveland, you've likely come across Cleveland Auto Repair and Rad Air Complete Car Care and Tire Center. Both are well-known names in the local automotive repair scene, but when it comes to honest pricing, transparency, and a team that actually makes you laugh while fixing your car, Cleveland Auto Repair is the clear winner. Here's why. Transparent pricing versus mysterious estimates. Ever walked into an auto shop and felt like you needed a decoder ring just to understand the bill? At Cleveland Auto Repair, there are no smoke and mirror tactics. We provide upfront, honest estimates with zero hidden fees. What you see is what you pay, no surprise charges, no "oops, we forgot to mention the extra labor fee" nonsense. At Rad Air Downtown, while they offer fair service, customers often report inconsistent pricing and unexpected add-ons to their final bill. Why does that simple brake pad replacement suddenly cost double? Good question. Super funny and friendly staff versus the usual mechanics. Listen, we get it. Auto repairs aren't exactly a thrill ride. But at Cleveland Auto Repair, our team believes that laughter is the best shock absorber. Our mechanics aren't just ASE certified experts, they're also certified comedians. Okay, maybe not officially, but they'll have you cracking up while they fix your ride. You'll leave with a perfectly running car and a smile on your face. Meanwhile, over at Rad Air, while their technicians are skilled, the atmosphere can feel more like a DMV waiting room, efficient, but not exactly exciting. Fast, reliable service versus, take a seat, it'll be a while, we know your time is valuable. That's why Cleveland Auto Repair prioritizes efficiency without cutting corners. Our goal? To get you back on the road ASAP. Whether it's a Cadillac repair, an oil change, or a full-blown engine overhaul, our team works fast while keeping quality a top priority. At Rad Air Downtown, some customers have mentioned longer than expected wait times, especially for more extensive repairs. While they offer good service, it's not uncommon to experience delays. Got an appointment? You might want to bring a book or two. Reputation. Who do Clevelanders trust more? When you're looking for reliable car repairs in Cleveland, customer reviews tell the real story. Cleveland Auto Repair is consistently rated higher for transparency, customer service, and fair pricing. Rad Air? Decent, but not exactly winning the popularity contest. A quick breakdown. The verdict: Cleveland Auto Repair is the winner trophy. If you're looking for the best auto repair shop in downtown Cleveland, Cleveland Auto Repair is the clear choice. We offer fair pricing, fast service, and a team that makes car repairs way less painful. Plus, we're the kind of mechanics who actually care about you, not just your car. Right finger need a Cadillac repair specialist? An oil change in Cleveland? Or just a team that won't bore you to death while fixing your ride? Give us a call at 855-CLE-AUTO or visit us at 6211 Cedar Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio, 44103. Your car, and your funny bone, will thank you.